Right, yo boys, it's been a minute. It's been 2 weeks since I posted the last video, right? A lot of shit has gone on. I had to take a little break, take a little minute out, but I want to give you an update of the P&L, how the trading's been going, London session, Asia session, New York session, all that shit. The last time you see me, I, banged fucking 5 Apex accounts, passed all that shit, and passed all my top step accounts, 10 accounts in total. And it's been a minute, right? So you guys are probably gonna know what the fuck's been going on, what's been happening. So as you can see, I am gonna start with London session, right? London session, this first week, I passed 4 accounts in this week, I believe, or 3 accounts in this week, all in London session. This was the first week back in trading. I went from 150k in funding to 500 or 550k in funding within this first week of the year. Now, I want you to just keep this here. The first week of this year was fucking brilliant for me. Now, before I go into the second and the third week, and also today, which is Monday, which I did take a dub.
See these levels here? Nope, she's still going.
I want to get into New York. Right? On New York session, as of right now, I am fucked. So this is the day, right? On the 14th of January, right, which is 12 days ago, I passed all my accounts. And prior to that, I was winning every day besides once, right? I took 1 L, was winning every day, passed my accounts, and then every single bumper cat day since I passed, the markets, for me personally, New York markets have been shit. I've lost every single day, including today.
Order filled.
Fuck's sake. Now, where does that leave me? I didn't want to show you boys this, but this is it. I literally have lost every single day since passing all my accounts. All my accounts. Now, on this day, on Thursday, I actually passed the 250k funded account with Apex on the same session.
Order filled.
So literally, this is a 250k account with Apex that I'd been passing for the previous week. And I was trading top step on my other monitor alongside this. Took the W on this, but the stop loss was too tight on top step because I messed up my risk and I have auto brackets on top step. So it automatically made the stop loss. But by accidentally, I made my stop loss 20 pips instead of 25, which every single one of these other trades has been 25 pips. And I got stopped out and I ended up taking a W. I basically, rather than using 4 contracts, I used 5. I was meant to use 4. But on my funded account, I ended up passing that shit, right? So that would have been a W. This would have been a +1 because the second trade was a W. But I did half risk by accident. I fucking did 1 contract instead of 3. Oh, bro, completely just fucked up my risk for 2 days in a row. These were the 2 days where I could have got some Ws, right? Unfortunately, no, right? Got fucked. But now on these accounts, this is like Asia, like a few of Asia session and London session mixed in. It's just been Ws, and obviously on my Apex accounts, I've been getting Ws as well. I don't know how I show that, so I only have the P&L here to show you. But, sorry, this is London session, right? Cool. But on New York, why has that been fucking cooked? And you know what the crazy thing is? And I put this on my Instagram, right? I literally put this on my Instagram today. If you don't already, go join and follow me on Instagram, right? Brandon.mp3. So my London P&L, I put this on my story today, right? I'll put the images on screen. My London P&L, right? And then my New York P&L. As you can see, right, look, as you can see, London, New York. Now, what's the difference? What have I done different? What strategy? Have I done a strategy on London that I didn't do in New York? The answer is no. The exact same strategy, the exact same entry criteria, the exact same exit criteria, exactly the same. Just market conditions. Simple as that. Like, so what I've realized and what I've decided I'm going to do moving forward is I need to have a set of funded accounts for London session and a set of accounts for New York session, period. So so my game and my aim of going forward is going to be diversifying my portfolio, right? Because I cannot be going and putting all my eggs in one basket and getting, like, bro, look, New York session has been fucked. All these are New York session, and I've been getting fucked. There was 2 green days. This should have been a green day, and this should have been a green day, right? 2 green days.
Because believe it or not, this second trade here was a 1 to 2, but I'd put my fucking contracts to 1 instead of 3. Anyway, so I've been getting cooked, right? Been getting cooked. And so we need to sort this out. So going forward, I am going to be diversifying my portfolio. I'm going to diversify my portfolio, get funded for New York, funded for London. London for me has always been my bread and butter. If you've been following me for a while, if you've gone through my channel, you know that I've been taking W's on London. You know, I've been taking W's on London for a long time. Like, if we first go back to when I first started to find some sort of profitability, it'll be back in September. So if I come here and I started trading France 40, right? All this was filmed and documented, boys, right? France 40 was where everything changed for me, boys. Everything changed. Like, when I look back at this now, I'm like, fucking hell. This was back in October last year, right? And gold.
Oh, man's up, pulling up to fucking Little G. Whoa! Are you boys seeing that shit? Are you boys seeing that shit? What that? Fucking $82. Jeez! What the fuck? Where the fuck am I?
Now, one thing I want you all to keep in mind as well is I have been trading with AJ during these New York sessions, right? In London session, I do trade alone by myself. Now, in New York, I have been trading with AJ. Now, people are going to go, oh, it's because you're trading with AJ. I 100% on my fucking life can say it's not because I'm trading with AJ. Simply put, losing streaks do occur. Because the same way I got funded was with AJ, and the same way I'm losing is with AJ. All it is market conditions at certain times. This is why you have to have your risk the same. This is why you have to give yourself losses in the tank, because losing streaks will come, they do come, and it's how do you, basically what I'm learning right now, this is a very, very big learning moment for me right now. This isn't like, you see these London sessions, right? This is just me taking W's anyway. I just take the break, I enter and I buy, and the fucking market goes my direction, right? Simply put, if you look at my story from this morning, which I'll put on now.
And whilst you're at it, boys, just fucking follow me on gram, brandon.mp3, every day.
It's just, that's how it's moving, right? Every single day. But New York has just not been a one, boys. So I see a lot of people in my Discord, in the chats, in the Discord rooms and all this shit, and everyone's blowing accounts. Everyone's in drawdown. Everyone's fucked, especially New York traders right now. A lot of the people I'm seeing are just literally getting bent over and slapped up, bruv. So this is a very crucial moment. This is a very pivotal moment. This is how do you deal with these losses, right? Shut the fuck up, man. Slugs are outside. Right, this is how do we divert, right? Do we just give up? Do we go weak? Do we just start blowing everything? Do we start doing all this shit? Because right now I have one loss in the account, right? I gave myself 10 losses in the tank. $200 risk and 10 losses. You boys have not seen me take a bigger losing streak than 10 losses ever on this channel, ever. And here we are. And you know what's fucking jarring about it? You know what the most annoying thing about it is? The day before, Monday the 12th, right? I got the dates wrong on this bullshit, right? 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I've got my dates wrong on the Google sheet. Monday the 12th, we've been taking L's. Ever since the day I was fully max allocated. You can't even make it up. You cannot even make it up, bro. So, going forward, I'm going to be getting fucking allocation in London session, and I'm still going to be trading the same exact way, and if I blow all my accounts tomorrow, I fucking blow them. I blow them. Also, people are going to be like, where are your other 2 accounts? Well, because my other 2 accounts were passed last year in October, I stopped trading them, and I left them in drawdown at around $500, $600, when I didn't really have a fucking, right? So when I've come back now, all it's taken is fucking 2, 3 losses in the tank to blow the first 2, and now it's going to take 10 losses in a row to blow these. It's mad. It's mad, but you know what, boys? I don't give a fuck. I don't give up. I won't stop, can't stop. Get rich, die trying, bro. You fucking know how it is. So there's going to be some of you man watching this right now, feeling down, fucking dumps, bro. Trust me, I ain't any different. I'm just having to work out a way to deal with this shit differently and be like, yo, okay, cool, took the losses, fuck it, lessons being learned. I need to diversify my portfolio. Because in the meantime, here's the crazy thing. In the meantime, if I was funded and used my allocation instead of putting this shit on New York, bro, you understand, if I'd have put my allocation for the past 2 weeks on London session, I'd have been taking across 10 accounts, bro, that'd have been $20,000. So don't get it twisted, right? Do not get it twisted. So I need to diversify my funding. If I'm trading both London session and New York, I need to diversify my funded accounts. I have not traded all these accounts on both sessions. In hindsight, I wish I would, but I will never do that because it's just too much risk on the table. I don't want to be in the market on my accounts twice a day. I need to keep it separate. So there's the update, boys. And yeah, I'm going to be back to the daily video. So if we blow the accounts tomorrow, you're going to see that shit. I'm going to be posting everything again. Everything's going to be back again. Fucking daily videos, raw, everything, boys. So let's get to it, yeah? And yeah, fuck it. We live, we learn, keep it moving. This is what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks of my life where shit's just gone fucking south in trading. Yet we've had this brilliant success in other sessions. Asia session, I don't really trade Asia, I just trade it when I can't sleep. But I ain't giving up, boys, so do not give up on me because I will not give up on you. Lock the fuck in, boys. I'll see you again tomorrow. I'll see you again the day after that, the day after that, and the day after that. Whether I blow these accounts, lose these accounts, make peas on these accounts, I'm fucking back in this bitch. So sub the fuck up if you aren't already. And yo, lock the fuck in. Peace.
So look, boys, I realised and I've come to terms that I need to get a set of accounts for London session and a set of accounts for New York session. I need to diversify my, funding. And so this is me currently passing a 250k account on Apex. If you want to use, obviously, 80% fucking discount codes and all that shit, use code LOCKIN. But yo, I'm here passing an account on Apex. And I'm going to plan to get $500,000 on New York session and $500,000 with London session. So this is basically what I'm set out to do. So these first two trades you're going to see, these are like fucking... This is actually a New York session on Friday, taking YM on a short, but yeah. I need a piss, bro. I need a piss. Don't know yet. Right, yeah, standard. Take profit just got smashed whilst I was having a slash, mate. Come on. Right, we're in. Very slow morning. If we go to the 1 minute now, I mean, look at that. There's no fucking breakout going on there, is there? Absolute chop city. I'd like us to break past this area. It would be nice. Wow, what the fuck just happened? We need 3k. Fucking coming. Is it exhausted now? Do we just close out? See these levels here? Nope, she's still going. On this, I'm currently passing a 100k combine. Now you have to make 106,000 to pass a fucking combine. Didn't realize this. I was just going from 1 to 2, hitting that 3k. Bish bash bosh, 106,000. I literally passed this account. But watch what happens. So look, if I exited about 30 seconds ago, I would have literally fucking passed this $100,000 top step account. But because I'm actually, it's either like, it's kind of like a good thing and a bad thing, but because I'm so fixed on hitting my 1 or 2s and just that's it systematically, I wasn't even paying attention to the numbers, bruv. So I fucked it really, but... Bro, if we get broken out of this trade, I'm going to be...
Order filled.
Oh, bro, but you're mad. I definitely passed this account during this trade. I can't even lie. I just definitely did. I swear that I'm going to watch back the footage now. Nah, boys, so we just got break even in this trade, but during the actual fucking trade, right, bro, we needed 106,000 on this account. I didn't realize it at the time, but I'd already passed the account. 106k. I literally passed the account during this trade, and I didn't even realize. I was there holding it. I need to get my 1 to 2. I need to get my 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Bro, it literally, when it came up to this point here, right? Boom. When it came up to this tippity tip top of the fucking trade, a 1 to 1.8,
I'd passed the account because I didn't realize I didn't need $3,000 for because obviously I'm already up 103.7 because obviously if we look at the stats, it's how we looked. Right? Do you know what I mean? So, bro, what the I can't even believe I just held off that bag. That's fucking jarring, that, man.